The guys are here with Dale from Rad KTM, and he's taking the guys on a little route. Tell us all about it.
So it's quite a nice flowing route, it's not too technical. We just head out between the fence post over here. Single track, nice flowing stuff, few little rocks on the way down there. Then we get into some turn tracks, some nice flat turn track style riding. Head down into the riverbed, nice flowing riverbed kind of riding. Very nice and flowing. Head up a little hill, then some more tech, but single track, nothing gnarly to damage the bikes or the body. Nice flowing stuff. Then we flow back through the forest section here, some nice bit more speed, and yeah, back to the pits.
How's it, Peter? And what did you go ride so far?
I did ride the KTM EXC, and it was a phenomenal bike. It's much different than the older models, and yeah, much more enjoyable. So yeah.
So Mike, what do you think of the new bike?
Very nice. Suspension very nice. This is a 500. It wasn't one that I came to ride, but I'm very impressed with it, and it's a nice bike to ride. Nice low down torque, and a lot of grunt.
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. I've been looking forward to test the 2024 models for quite a while. I watched the launch in Lesotho, and now we finally get our chance here at Iceland. And massive shout out to Rad KTM for bringing the bikes out. Very stoked to test it out.
Yeah, bike feels good. Suspension's a bit hard. I'm not used to riding a 500. I'm on a 150 now. So, but yeah, I mean, all good. Love to, looking forward to the 150 and 300.
How's it? Good morning. Absolutely love it. It was fantastic. We'll take a ride on the 500. It's very smooth. Power delivery is fantastic. Love the suspension. Awesome. Love it.
So we're out here today with Rad KTM. They launched a new 2024 KTM. I believe there's some pretty cool suspension in the front here. We've got chrome valves, 2024. Super excited about it, and the bike is incredible. I think it handles so much better than the previous year.